How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video we're looking at CAAS, China Automotive Systems. Let me know how I sound compared to my other videos. I am testing out a new mic, but um, just before I get into things, I did let you guys know at $7.38 on the watch list, really, for today, in the private Discord. So you guys can click the link down below in the Patreon if you guys want to join that. But let's jump in here in the video. So we did a high up there just recently, a couple seconds ago, at there at $11.23 before pulling back quite a lot, actually, $10.31 right now. So we'll go ahead and make that the yellow dotted line to represent that. VWAP is way down there at $7.71. We could see a dip down there, but we do have some more support at 778 as well as 917. And if we must, really today's low at $5.63. Yesterday's low of 370. That is unbelievable. I just made a video on SNDL, and that closed at 100%. This closed at 174% at the bell. So you guys know that people are trying to get on this still. I'll take a look at the 1-year chart so we can get the volume today. Wow, so completely blew it out of the water with the recent volume of 88 million shares. Now for a $7 to $10 stock, that is really good. So many eyes on it. I think there's about 30,000 StockTwits watchers on it. StockTwits doesn't mean squat really, but a lot of eyes on it. That's what I'm trying to say. So the earnings now, I'm not going to go completely in depth in earnings, but way back in May, -6 cents. In June, -9 cents. In August, -13 cents. And then the 13th, which was a couple days ago, 17 days ago, positive 8 cents. So the company's headed in the right direction, and the company was always positive, not that, even not -9, -13. That is not that bad for let's see how long this ticker was. I'll take you back to the 3 years, 20 years. So it looks like the ticker started public trading. Wow, so okay, so never mind, guys. October of 2004. I thought this was a fairly new ticker. Okay, my bad. So we'll go back to the 1-year chart. The company's headed in the right direction with the positive, like I said. Now, if they can continue to be positive, that would be the best step, the best scenario. The 3-year chart, we are at 3 years highs. Now, how good are these 20-year stocks going to be? Or these no support resistance? It's up to you guys. But at that 1160 level, next support is at, or resistance, sorry, 13, then 15, 18, lot of resistance at 1860, and the price target up there is at 2717. Can we get there? I think we can. If we get a little pullback tomorrow and then skyrocket it, that would be the best thing. You just don't want to jump into things and just head on and just keep on chasing. You really want to see a pullback for a long-term momentum. Take a look at the news now. If you guys didn't know about Tesla, that China said they can start selling their Model Ys, I think that's correct in China. So that gives NIO and China Automotive a little bit of um, competition in China, unlike America, where there's so many car companies. So if you guys didn't know, a lot of electric vehicles were down today. We take a look at Tesla, like I mentioned. We'll go to the 1-day chart. Hit a high of 607, then it fell down to 550. Another one, we take a look at that NIO, like I was mentioning. Hit a high of 54 and then low of 48, as well as XPEV, all Chinese car electric vehicle companies. So it wasn't the best day for China electric vehicles, but CAAS, China Automotive Systems, had a unbelievable day. Now, like I was saying, so what's the news? Jumps on power steering sales. I'm actually, guys, I'm not seeing that much news. So if I'm So I think, if I'm not mistaken, China Automotive Systems announces 120,000 steering units shipped for electric vehicles models. So that's why it's up. That's what I'm going off of. That's what this video is going to be based off of now. So if they are a supplier for NIO, XPEV, and I'm assuming there's got to be other Chinese car companies out there. Chinese car companies are the future. You can't get away from it. It's going to happen even by 2030, at least, or at most, I should say. So, but there you go. May reach over 140,000 units by end of 2020. So that's only a month. So if they're doing 20,000 in a month and a half, that would be unbelievable. So on the 12th, the China Automotive third quarter sales, $114 million. Wow. So there you guys know about how big this company is. I'm going to be honest with you. I had never heard of CAAS. I never traded it in the past. I didn't take a trade on it, this morning because it was a little expensive for my normal trading style. But if you guys traded it, definitely leave it in the comment section down below. It was a very good trade today. Not really on the short side, even though you could have took it at 770 down to 550. Actually, that would have been pretty good, $2.20. But overall, strong bullish move. Like I said, I think there was 88 million shares. Yep, 88 million shares. And with the possibility of this going back up to $27, that's a whole another 100% day, or even more than that because it's 27. Now, like I said, there's next resistance is at 13, 15, 18, and then 1860. And 1860 is really good because it's triple topped and quadruple topped even. So that's going to be a major resistance. Like I said, this is back in '04. So how, they're like, oh, okay, I'll tell you this right now. Most charts don't even go back 20 years or 16 years. So many people aren't even going to be looking at that. Now they do go back 10 years, so we'll be looking at the 27. But just you guys are getting a little head start if you have TD Ameritrade, and I'm assuming all these other paid for brokers have it. But I don't think Robinhood or we will have it. Again, guys, not dissing. I just don't know that much. Now, with the earnings, like I also mentioned, the company is doing great with 114 million shares. Excuse me, $114 million in revenue for quarter three. And with that, I'm going to leave it off the video. So thank you so much for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Like I said, guys, it has to break 1123 to go to 13, and I really don't want to see it past 772 VWAP. All right, guys. So if you guys want to get alerts like CAS every morning, definitely join the Patreon. If you guys took it, you still be up almost just shy of $4 per share if you guys bought it when I told you, or about when I mentioned it on the watch list and sold up there at the high. All right, guys, say CAAS, China Automotive Systems. Definitely like the video, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below, and I'll answer every single one. All right, guys, thanks for watching.